More U.S. cases emerge, as China's death toll rises. The number of dead climbed to at least 80, while in the United States, 5 cases were confirmed. New infections in the United States were found in people traveling from Wuhan. In China, the tally jumped to more than 2,700 cases. The death toll rises to at least 80, and Wuhan may have 1,000 more cases. The mayor of Wuhan, which is at the center of the viral outbreak, said on Sunday that there could be about 1,000 more confirmed cases of the mysterious illness in the city. A sign that China's monumental efforts to halt the disease may only just be starting. In a news conference, the mayor, Zhou Xianwang, said that the estimate was based on the assumption that around half of the city's nearly 3,000 suspected cases of the coronavirus would eventually test positive for the disease. The youngest confirmed case involved a 9-month-old girl in Beijing, according to the People's Daily, a state newspaper. Mr. Zhou also said that 5 million people had left Wuhan before travel out of the city was restricted, leaving 9 million people still living there. As of Monday morning, the official count of confirmed cases across China stood at 2,744. The authorities in Hubei province put the death toll at 76 there, bumping the overall deaths to at least 80. On Sunday, China announced 15 more deaths from the new coronavirus, including one in Shanghai, the first reported there. 13 deaths were announced in Hubei province, where the outbreak began, and one in Henan province. Across the country, 688 new cases were diagnosed on Saturday, the government said early Sunday. Deaths from the coronavirus had previously been reported outside of Hubei. But the death in Shanghai, which is among China's most populous cities and a major commercial hub, is likely to fuel anxieties about the disease's spread. 3 more cases of the coronavirus were reported on Sunday in the United States, 2 in California and 1 in Arizona, bringing the country's total to 5, according to the CDC. All 3 had recently been in Wuhan, health officials said. The 3 patients were all being kept in isolation. The CDC said that just over 100 patients under investigation from 26 states were being monitored because they had traveled to Wuhan, or had contact with patients, and had symptoms like fever, cough, or shortness of breath that could be caused by the virus. So far, 25 of those under investigation have tested negative for the virus. The CDC is urging the public to get flu shots, to help reduce the number of people seeking treatment for symptoms that might be mistaken for the new coronavirus. The agency is also preparing test kits to be sent to state health departments so that they can test for the virus instead of having to send samples to the CDC for testing, but it will be a few more weeks before the kits are ready, Dr. Messonnier said. The head of China's National Health Commission, Ma Xiaowei, warned on Sunday that people who carried the disease but did not show flu symptoms could still infect others. That would be a major difference between the new virus and SARS, a coronavirus that spread in China and around the world nearly 2 decades ago, killing 800 people. The epidemic has entered a more serious and complex period, said Dr. Ma, the director of China's National Health Commission. He also said on Sunday that the new coronavirus's incubation period was about 10 to 14 days and that the period is contagious. There have been mild cases where observation has shown that the patients were contagious during the incubation period. The shortest time before the disease's onset was 1 day, the longest was 14 days. This is very different from SARS. The rate of the current epidemic is accelerating, he added, and is likely to continue for some time. A study by the medical journal The Lancet, published on Friday, had raised concerns that people infected with the coronavirus might be able to spread it even if they do not have flu-like symptoms. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this, please show your support by subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification.